I am not going to watch it because I am blind in one eye, and they say the glasses are safe, but I'm afraid to wear them because I don't want to ruin my other eye.
So can you show us the glasses? I guess you've got one of the glasses, and so you don't trust that?
I'm not sure which ones are safe and which ones aren't, so I am not going to watch the eclipse.
So was your eyesight damaged by the eclipse last time, or
no,
something else?
My eye was damaged when I was in the 1st grade and I had the measles, and it damaged my right eye.
So now you don't trust this kind of thing?
I'm not going to take a chance on ruining my other eye to damage it, no.
There are so many people that are interested in this. So what are they telling you about the eclipse? So many people. They seem to
so
like
many
it.
people want to watch it, and they're making their own glasses and stuff. And I don't feel safe to watch it, but...
And they're making their own glasses?
Some are, yes.
Ah, what are they using?
Like cereal boxes and things. They see it online to how to make certain ways to save your eyes so they won't get damaged.
We're told that it has to be ISO, ISO approved. So if it's not ISO approved, people shouldn't use it. But they're doing their own things?
Some are, yes. They say they're safe, but I don't know.
Can you advise them about the eyesight problem in terms of them doing that kind of thing? What advice can you give them? Losing somebody's eyesight.
I don't know what kind of advice to give them because I actually don't know if those homemade ones are safe or not. I mean, they're getting them online and everything, so they better be careful. They need to be careful.
Thank you very much.